Five year when we now catch us a flag no Super Bowl. Now me catch us a Ghana penny for more. Yes, a form Hana and Nipan your friend pedestrian route, and when you are turning in Aida. I am penny for him, Yans, and when you mean to sell from what Nakasu and Sota. I'm a mini Nipan in Aida. From I Nipa Quine pedestrian route, Nipa Quine on Quas to sing, and Quine. I can't econo. Any assistant boys in India say, Omu Maya Quino. Ya Momon, not ya Momon got to damn it. We say, Car will be Ghana, Bibini, Osha, any assistant boys, and a dear normally ya Quino, a yabo, ya pine wine techimine, ya pine wine techimine. Kwam ya frail baby, above 4 or qua or face any iron in her, a cement near Riani abo. And you near the iron ross as show, and me catch us every flag boys in there, you know, or more yammy, Nipan, yamin free mumay, Yami be any baby, and a berry amount, Tia Mecano, and to car win and mix it, at the end of concrete, no. Car win and mix the boys in India, or more yammy. Look, your more minima dear Bibini from Ham, a yabo. I mean, zooming a henny, I go for the Baumia. When you pass a moye, Musun Sumo, Sika, dear rough from Bassabas, I won't tell you, only Panay and Promuye. Share a yabo Montiani, Bibinia, Jimmy and a Hontor. I'm telling you, Bibinia, Jimmy Chebia. Want to say Bibini Beshania San Minyam. Mamma non coffee now, and I'm Tiafumo and Casamine Metrico. Massa, Camaria Kukura, Menes, 1 CD Akotokra, 1 CD, in Tokoko, and yes, 50 pesos, go see 50 pesos, Crania Dauroma. Nipan air then, a diano with the Tiniadium, a dio, I'm in Chancho and Avenue. Hi, how are you? Have a good day. I'm showing African people how you make the work site in the United States. Look. Nipa na ye from Bibini wa Jimmy am catchable every 1 minute to be a my boss. Now me catch you say no and so atosa. All right. Yo, thank you. Yo, glass and min cameraman I'm in chow. Min camera. Okay, look. I'm educating them. Wait, anya nipa na ye. Nipa na ye meboa. Catch you. 100%. Omo time achi aneta. All the way. Yeah, thank you. Nyamisha wate boadwuma. No amount of lies can defeat truth. I'm telling you. Mopa mun chantrem kosiaga. Why did you got option? Put it inside. I'm very popular in the United States in German fan chemical. Why you got option? I go for the whole time. Jimmy, that's Biba Kukra. And you, Jimmy. Wait, Monsieur Brassmate for one day. I am not there any other robber sim. Obi so adwuma so obeba no ababe eye Jimmy onya se bia opatem ni di odim panifo atemo eye Jimmy na majimi anti Jimmy no munya ya minimum ye everyone kwami ya wa bia wa we ka bia kwa bia wa bia wa we ka bia hia ni pass kwai na e red no system ni ye adwuma forever eye abo ne anwea ana broni akofa abo na free tachiman mami se ntwa na hwenie broni akofa abo na free tachiman e de agu shape so the head abaye ni krom reform abaye ni krom yie na the whole nkan woman temu a wote kura mfuturo every 1 minute bi aban bass na every 1 minute bi aban bass ni bi abo ya mfa malam metena so komfo ni so sofu bi ante so so ko ya adwuma advert bi ye Yami shall be as o tie no kre. Ya ma di energy number. Obviously, religious, don't bring religious matter. Tiria make a chiro. Religion is not bigger than Ghana. Mutie me. Na me got you say so be a glass in. Ekwa bia wa bia wa we ka bia hia ne Ebabia e wan wake bia hia ne o. Our heaven. Yes, hallelujah, yes, Bebachina. Namika Joseph, RAV4 2021, RAV4, Highlander 2019, Texianam and Tema. Yes, yeah, for so many years. Me, I'm telling you, let me tell you from the scratch. Ya wometo, asori fie. Ya wometo, nkremusum fie. Ya wometo, bosumsum fie, because men are o ware bebrebe enti enam sa nti me nana ba ko na oye kramoni ena me nana ba ko so ye bosomsom ni because no yo hema omukutwa mponchiti ni ade omuko nsuom ko ya amamere ni ade omuyi apaye ode me ko bi mehwe ena me nana ba ko so ye makuo ni ode me ko hallelujah yesu beba china me ko hebi ye be chibro nsam ye ni nyina mehwe ni nyina. I'm telling you, I grew up na me stubborn. Enti me da fie we na kira na mada we na da we na enti ame na kwasia me da bia me ka se me dia mafia Maria Koko na ye ya Maria no Maria Koko enkramo min sisters na na eye Koko ton Minister ba ko ye friend Sala ye friend ba ko me I'm a Muslim, I'm a Christian, and I'm telling you the reality. This time is the truth and now good you every 1 minute to be a my ambassador. Here I make you on you, and now good year, every 1 minute to be a my master. Love speed in our ban. Religion cannot stop anything because my culture says religious and politics are the same people. Every 1 minute to be a my master. Every 1 minute to be a my master. Every 1 minute to be a my master. Because I don't think Pentecost for years, Kajiminti. Akufuado na also see prison. The baby adwuma ma sorry manu. The go see prison Akufuado. Akufuado nso nya sika the baby adwuma ma Ghana for na said yes o baby adwuma or the go see cathedral. Here make catch on you. I'm telling you, until to make catch them say religion have brought anything to Ghana. I'm telling you, religious e work Ghana nyina fa hwe mere Ghana. And I can give you example. Akufuado okwa sorry. Your friends like Baomi Akokramo. And the people are suffering. And let's face the reality. The truth will always defeat lies. And you be energy kwama religious bia religion bia Ghana. Go channel that energy towards the politicians, the aimless and useless politicians. Now mumfa ensuonko UDS university wo na krani nyansuo nom. And the UDS I'm talking about nyankramo fo nkwa ne go na nya asore ko fo nkwa ne go and na nya tradition fo nkwa ne go every 1 minute be a man bass nam e Ghana fo ne go. And all this religion came before. Ghana was there before all this religion came. Listen to me. And nobody should bring any religion. Because sometimes media temper. What you say? Media temper. Say kwasi bi aba be comment. Ena matua mano. Say bi kwasi bi timi comment. Ena don't joke it. Ebia ya sorry for one makasi ebia mu Jimmy Yesu dia nwa ya amamo Ghana ho. And I say, Jimmy Muhammad, and Wayama Morgana, a comment to that Pasiana or commenting. And he said, open me video now, yeah, open sorty Asamamika. Take your time, watch the whole video. Until then, the Emma Jimmy Phobia and other because Meno, I insult based on Nipacrona or the Ninquasia comment about Pesobiti and Okrem. Tidia make a channel. And I almost ya boat, ya, Antoine, and Suananka sentiment home. A Jimmy for him for one a Galamsa sensu. And the Antoine Pobia could no bet me a Kubia and Kua him for. Tidia make a choni. And until then, Ghana, yeah, religion be a fan in some Hunter baby until say Ghana first. Tidia Mecano, and nobody can defeat the truth. Nobody, I mean nobody. I'm telling you the reality. Nobody. Pasia a form hand, a young a grabos. Ujimi egu abuo ho ahim kro ya pai no ho ujimi every 1 minute bi abai ba senam na ujimi nsuo to a minim kuofo every 1 minute bi abai ba senam ujimi nipa ne so gufie ya nya adwuma nya every 1 minute bi abai ba senam na ujimi ne manya wo na me di watema wo de fa regime bi bra ase every 1 minute bi abai ba senam jama mo yare nipa nya aduane ni ekom di nipa a school 40 form nya konya so ntina boys ni so gufie benya adwuma ye pa adwuma ye ya create jobs kwasia ko ai Israel for no mkofa amu Yesu ne bae omoni gays afford their bomb tampe. Religion brings about division among group of people. It divides people. Religion and politics divides people. It doesn't bring unity. I don't think I Bible no the buy now. Yes, wajini pa nyina ankwa yesi yo yate. As yes wajini pa ankwa no. And Yesu na to bomb ko geza ekukum nipa ti the American Israel for crowd you say Bible mo ye untouchable. And I'm telling you America kroma Jewish for crowd also che Israel for Israel. I'm telling you the reality. Listen to what I'm telling you. Sa ai for no Gaza for no so ye nkramofo. Ena ai for no Israel for no so ye ai a Christopher. Israel for no omoka Hebrew kasa. Gaza foka Arabic kasa. And this ankwasiafo we anya omontokwa na omukun Israel ni Gaza hona. Enye Ghana ni bi asem. Ye problem ni say o man ni be ye benya nsu anom. Dum so kwasia sa Israel ho ye num light. Sa Gaza hono every 1 minute bi Bible asinam. Woti ho ase okokon tokwa ma sa jimifo na mesra ya jimi no every 1 minute bi Bible asinam. Na me nuama egu Saudi Arabia omo ye nkramofo nkramofo ba bia Muhammad wu ye fro Saudi Arabia ho na Mecca wono me nuama egu ho the way nkramofo ni treat omo bad fro ayo de yesi afre Saudi Arabia fo ma na egu Ghana fo na omo ye ai made ofie from na tie de omo ka kirew enti adan ne enso yenye ye kuro ye every 1 minute bia ma na yenya kwase a religion sam na yenye ye kuro ye na yenso ye mia bia adwuma ne yentra Ghana ho ne yenso ye mfili better life ni bi na ye better na ye kwache bronsam ye kwache ayibaifo kwase Yesu nti obi atwe sika akotwa ne maamiti adan asofo kwase bi se ne maame ye bronsam enti se kramoni ana obi abetre TV so sofo ni se abetre TV so yiska dura tie de America no onye nkramoni papa kramoni bi betra ho se obebu obi obetwe sikan a onye kramoni tie de America no omudi gusom na nimase because me na no ye me na kramu a oye enemy nua ma omo ye nkramofo enemy nua ma omugudam na bia wo de mesira ko nanti kofie bia kramoni abetra bia na kotie eho asem bisa se kramofo behind wo dan no se na no motie di amaria wo hyedam ompie me ka asem na kire otie de kro tie no kre nkramofo mu kra ni asem me donyame me nka na ada omo apart from hola hubakubaru omo de dede ha enipa adwen omo de dede tietie omo wi adi wonte hwe omo ha adwen power afuo mu oye a Christopher kadi baba oyo baba radio na abeso bi omo gusu jimisa na me ka cho se glass nko adan bia wa bia glass nko enti me sramu. The truth is bigger than anybody in a form or energy na eba no wonnim na se okofa wo religion bejimia wo religion na nim beguase because entimi face reality ne atebubu omugu efom omunya nsuo numo atebubu na atebubu no anya nkramofo nko na guo na anya asorekofo na anya abosonsonfo aye Ghana fo na guo omune mponche ne nantwie na numsuo. And if we have energy we should channel to this useless and aimless politicians now mu wi o man sika no what god so wa jimia bibini jimia isa apoa bi bibini jimia me ka kire broni kra wonne o pai nua wo krom na nipa nya konya so ntena wa jimi o yale you are sick I'm telling you obi amfa ni jimi nkokura masa me hu obia glass nko a challenge Michelle bibia energy na e ba no kwasia na obi krom su aton no asa ansuo ni nyina yira hwenkitinkiti bi kura na gu fama kwasia na wuti krom enso to a wuntimi mpie wuwu sesi ame no kasa me say madam biti Moses Zongo bra no enso to a ontimi na agise wodi bucket twi enso ni nyina pie afri ni dam enso ni to nyina o twese anti enso ni nyaya anadwo na wonai the whole night obeyi enso ni sha. These are the reality we should face. Listen to what I'm telling you. Nobody should bring any useless religion be our platform so you can decide to follow me. I'm telling you, this is the reality. And I obey you, Jimmy. Now America, I'm a police for Bechiwakotum. O Jimmy, I beg your passport enough from Sama Kukura Kwesi Ghana. Or be any Hobet Nabejama Nimabeg and Kwasiade. Police are going to take you. I'm judging how Mijana Menum. omu gina ha me se mentwa ba ko nkyere wa ba ko ne gina ha yi wona hye ne chei ma mentwa nkyere won ye omu gina ha 24/7 omu nam around wo jimi ade will grab you na me ka cho se kwan bia wa bia ai wan we ka bia hye ane onko ya me hye obi bia se otie na kure ya enya agudie bi o jimi na do so dodo no be krom we from ha no nsuo ni to ya yira eye cement ni anwea kwasiafo na mo de mu ni ma esikadie es gracia no makwaje hwe enti de omo ya ni say omo politicians ni influence the religious leaders no mama religious leaders na Daniel Sikafo na omo go religion no ma na bre every 1 minute bi around for 2020 na taxi a etwa I make sure say kwa bia wa bia wa reka bia hia nia. Ya me show bia. Thank you. I appreciate man. Kwa bia wa bia wa we nia. Tuba wo se obekọ ayi no. Ayi Christianity ho no. Na asofofo no yasikafo na asore me bre. Obekọ ayi Muslim fo no so na ayi shake fo no enjoy quality life. Omo ti environment baba na ayi omo Muslim fo na nka say bre. I'm telling you this is the reality. One because the politicians any omo na chase gani do no matter that omo say ye beto aba mun convince mun ko for no because mun say every religious leader no a mind game illusion and superstition it control your mind the leader no be kan obeba be di achi mun ko to mass mun so dey akoto every 1 minute bi aban wa sene because nyasa nka oba krom ha ye to aba wi na president ni nam krom check photo wo mu aba eni enso afuo mu ho ye beto aba na president hu no ye nya to aba wi anu ayira obehu na adi se 4 years for frasa aba no wasa be dada kwasiafo na mo obi amfa ne kwasiafo kura na me hu mani bra bre Ghana nye ya so obi krom gata ni ho na nsu ato nsuo ni na timi ayira na udu jimi abetena se o ene sa na te de Jonas adi obi atema yemfa sa video no emra ne eme insight ebia wakodi ayifo asorefo asema ya insight Christian fo nyina wakodi nkramofo atema insight nkramofo nyina ya wakodi tradition fo asema ya insight tradition fo na mo mefa mo ni mo jimi de empa bia mo nye mo pa mo nka se me se ayi Yesu akokum nipa na Muhammad akokum nipa me fa ho ni obi ajimi the truth is one face the country munye kro ni ye that is it. Na me catch us every flag in the boom. Until then, me ni obia ni asem. Growing ye ya obia hunton. I'm telling you the reality. Obia beji ashe no. Obia politician ahemfo wan yo obia beji ashe no. This is what I'm telling you. It's reality. Asia bobi kroma enum light. Ye the ambulance akwata joint. Bicycle go obia mewia. Ambulance na tawa no nipa titim ye twezo obi beka se ni tia ne ya enkonwa sisi abonten na so free bicycle na gu okọ ibi ya na obi ayi bi ode kọ no ibi na fanant nti anya ofe Jimmy enti we nyina hu anya ofe enti se nipa ye sa de we ade ambulance asi join how are you ambulance driver ni tim na ogbo adwuma na bicycle gu okọ ibi a de na chese sa nipa we o ye nipa tse bibini difference ni se bibini ya Jimmy keke difference no kwasi ankonwa kresi atena so free o ye nipa te se bibini na bibini krom ye di yarefo ato abobo yam oda trogo so ne yeso anu ambulance nsumi wa esia a etwe se obi beka se nitie ne ya na wajimi se na me yo ho adwuma ya o se wonti na wonti mo fa mo jimi nkomi hu obi a the whole Ghana ye nyina ya jimi enti ye nya jimi na obi ahonto no kwasia wo energy abekwa ma Yesu ana Muhammad ana ayikwa no chi ana tumi bia unfa wani hu da sa fasa energy no kuma ma na odo kwoti na wo mo ana odo twe na wo mo no fasa energy no kuma mo because omo da chi na hia no wajime dodo they are your future. I'm telling you book na ye de abrɛ no book no eye obi krom no akɔtwero de aba sa kuro no se wo Ghana na anya ye na se ntokwasi Ghana ana amanie bi si wo Ghana uko krom ho aye bepamo aboy bi ka James oko Israel eko bre ya afi o se eko bi wa omo se Israel ko ba kwa ye mamma bi o tie de America no de Bible bre ko mote de ode Bible bre no o se ni krom no waba ho dade a o mamma bi o tie de America ko mote ti wo de no kura ye ba ko pe Ghana ni a wutie me listen to me attentively do ye onko se wo ho o ka manwia onua nsisi onua e mo onua po ye nka no kura na wo Akufo-Addo waye wanim se he Akufo-Addo gina hanka me bo ne bro me donya me he kama Akufo-Addo gina ha oni ba omi anka me bo mo bro hwe anu amako kai $100 million mo dia koye Ghana card ajes Canada mu wie ya wo the 500 million I say ko kan Ghana population ha na Ghana o kan Ghana for dey o kan Ghana for dey wasiafo nko mu nyina ma jimi kura mu kan Ghana for dey mu faska ko bia adwuma kwasia mo fanche me obi krom konya na gu atraso free bola na sisi wo every 1 minute you dey pay sani krom mo kan Ghana for dey ha ai konya na siwa no traso free ni ade na that's been sisi wo any pani nya adwuma nya ni ti o mo tutu kai bicycle na go yi bi na fanante obi amewia hwe obi amewia eno nkofo ayi bi no bicycle na go yo ebuo Ghana obetim ni bicycle agu abonten ama ade ache so ade bechi na ni wura befa hey munyina ma jimi ma musum parliament wonyina obi a echi asa nya kwasi aponko I know obi yiwie ya ode boy this is what we call God, this is what we call Allah. Obi odi abesi wo obi odi abesi wo okoni baby oni ni opa ma me man nkasa hello boss hi hello kame mana kasa ame man nkasa hello sir hello hi oh why are you busy okwa adwuma wa late nyame sha bibi azotie na kwa every 1 minute bi aban basi wasiafo mo kan Ghana fo aye dan ha mo be chesi Canada wey unim ha won Akufo-Addo tie na tie ne mu ministers mo mie to Akufo-Addo table so no hwe bi mo mie ma no hwe bi mo ye se mo be kan anipa na mo be chesi Canada no kura ye ntia se mo kan obi no mo se koma a teacher for na to school da mu na mo kira de na on be kire nkura na de no tie de me kan ye mo se asese school for no teacher for no se o mo mra no mo na mekan kofu abra o mo mawie university gufie nya adwuma ai mo nyina mo ye nkwasiafo tie de mekan ye and teacher school no kwa class captain na eche nkra na de class prefect a school for teacher for nyina akọ omuko kan kra omuko kan Ghana for na me catch us every 1 minute ya bye bye the one must say mo bibini agimi kra cha broni krama me donya me ha mo nyina ma jimi wa wonti asie bia fa kwasia asia hwe ni pada sani krom hwa fam konwa sisi abonte tena so free we nyina brasmate fo na ye nkonwa special way of konwa tena so free na bibini krom school dan teacher ni nya konwa so ntena onya ba bi mfa ne chokosi we that's bit bola gum free we wutimi pagya obi a mewia konwa ne nko tena so free ha na me catch us a glass bibini agimi wasi ansuo kura da ka kwanhwe ani na ukura mu nsuo ani ayese Milo tea munyiro bia nya hoto ka ukosisa munyina kogu school mu no mu nkire nkura na de na kosisa boys na egufio munya adwuma nya ne kogu so mu nko kan Ghanafo magimi mu kura mu kan Ghanafo nya nsan bia ni yempese yebeti ase am kan Ghanafo na no so a mu bayi sisa boys na egufie no munya adwuma nya nipa ne maame aboka de na ko university abobosi ade na ko university wa wie mfaso bia ni so da fie twemframa na mo de wa masia jimi no ho me donya me mu nyina me nkwasiafo minimum si amen kasa kura bio everywhere minute dia my master en konya na sisi what transfer free somebody's job say ade bia beto fom bia no apra somebody's job and okura no ode nam saa o hwese bibia to fom no apra nyame mfiri wiem masisi e meye bibia ala emfiri wiem meye bibia maw nyame mfiri wiem meye bibia maw ko bibini wa na wo se oye wade maka kire ni krom ko a wanyew miami niama gu saudi arabia Mecca every year me na sorry no ko Mecca unim sika okose no broni ni di nyansa akreti Mecca na siwo every year before nyina momra mo ba hotel a job creation ne economy na ekoyie tiere Mecca chono fa usika na wabra nya nyina akọ fa koma no na mfanye na economy ye tiere Mecca no na me ba o we testing COVID-19 and you had the number here testing free testing no can in namsa can near hospital and in nam woman temuna uti so tested I want you to come and test me or mo abetu kana ba ofia be test free chimi uti we na mo ba brochira mo mehu sa so na ukọ Israel o ma sheda creative baby asi wo ho na Yesu bewi a Christopher oje correction ni nyina anya na akofo ado otam owusu bempa sika ye de be school for ye de be no aduane ama mo school dem no ye tam ne ye de ma ayi owusu bempa jimi fo ni ye de no ma kotina Israel adanya ommo mpa ye magana sa jimi mo bi anya bibio tie ye me ka kire mo no obi anya san kwase asem ni bio wafuo mu ensu atoni nyina yira no gata wala me mu si amen kasa kura bio ye wa wo the truth will always defeat lies. And why I was on Tiasia Biano, I'm telling you, you can unfollow me. And you by force, meaning say be near Jimmy, ya, me and Jimmy Memetia for more, wouldn't him now become, yes, you are Sama Minube, wouldn't him now become Mohammed, I become him Wako, but Brunisi, there's no proof. What catch them? I'm telling you, no proof, and then no Crobian won't come, Mammy, Nina, fiction, Brunin Eka. And ye every 1 minute be a Bible cinema. Many nothing a chrome, the OUC and no crack. And two co we are there, ye bet you. Obia de the Harman Kofa, and until on the chrome or the glass in one air dying. Apple head office in here. Amoya laptops or maybe via a glass in chromophobia and Yano Bono. I'm telling you, you need to wear your phone and almost frame me in a bar or more launch operating system. iOS 15 better version. Tiere Mekano omu design software dia Google Play Store, Apple Store. Adani millionaires Tiere Meka omu aso na control Bible breo. Na bi beneath was onu pese owu ntem ko. Na okoda bro, okoda heaven. Chimini doso. Every 1 minute be a Bible na we bi ne pese Ghana 24 year man. I am in the moose, I mean Casabio. Shall come people beyond all. Yes, Piotr Raneko Binia. I can run in Amha Binia. And crank it think it 8 years, 4 years, 10 years, or Mujaka, who says this can you been in Chroma. And to the Onoka book when a bin in the Chroma, at then I would you chrome you all. Well, so who say you are sick? Every 1 minute, you are by them. Round 4 2021 at Siena. Now me catch yourself, come here, I'll be I will wake up here, Shania. I will have it. Bibini, Miniano, who's your answer me now? I don't give a damn. Me classmate for you, I saw the cough one and come before. But I'm enough for 4 pie, woman and come before no more. Because the entire woman I'm enough for any morning said, because I be an amateur. Near co school no bang zongo it's near zongo and I wanna be Jesus and tina or mono doors because of say zongo and now carry majority of the Christians you know I was school to many money grew up together and follow me all of them support me because ya brewa fuomu ho Mohammed the Magian film Samsung yes Magian film I'm telling you that is the reality. And wow, was a one tiasiano. And I say, maybe I divert attention about religious for class to do too much. But anyway, it's all good. Everything's gonna be alright. We want the best. Now we have to force the politicians to do their jobs right. Accident ye kum nipa ni nyina so te ye jai na ya makacho se bibia wa bia nipa na ye wa se akwane brakwa no obi na ni refi no agya bibia to fom no pra somebody's job nyame nya hwe okrom ha is somebody's job ti dia me kan dan bia wa bia glass nkwa bicycle na go bia ni ho ba bia yo ye hu system ni ye adwuma na fe ye se ye bekwa akote tie match bro sama then we go and do it until then there now any religious should go and sleep until Ghana develop glass in Kwa. Wasia for mumu uko bobosia now to play 1 hour be out ya 17,000 euros. Dollars, $17,000, 15,000 euros. Why do you Juma? Ghana kroni yenyan so kura no na uko boss abusia we da sumu. Why do you Juma? We are telling you that is a reality. From Jimmy Pokrana, who be a now catch us every 1 minute to be a my vaccine. If the politicians want to use the religious people to conquer me, it's not going to work because Obia Bedi Atemno, the whole Bibinibia Jimmy Muntiani. Because the way I had the Odia and the Quino, ye, where Wawa Odum or Wawa of a free, a free Amadun Quanta, a free. Every achiase every sevi jaboso na se jaboso fo no omo kwan nyina tutu honse na koku ahodo nyina afiri ba atechem na omo nama empanifo ni nyina agimi tie de meka no gold yetu na oboase kwan nyina tutu a panifo ni nyina agimi. I'm telling you glass obi a o bi afi bi glass
don't break it down
panifo ni nyina agimi. I make catch was a glass. Oh, that Kwame, them were from one first steady. Mamma go at Kwame from when I'm first steady. I want to mention. Perform? Huh? Tell me, be beneath 1 foot through or what? Meanwhile, at the end of the coffee, few crumb na diaba. The other end in a few crumb. Hey, Abu. No, what Jimmy said, Manyawa. Hi. Munna ma Jimmy the whole Ghana obi a Jimmy nyina ya Jimmy mekura ma Jimmy ya Jimmy do me donya me na me ka cho se kwa bia wan we ka bia hia no na wo wateche nsuo to awu na de ne ya fafiri wa awu kroma wo ye nipa Nyame share Bibia so tie no the system is working 24/7. The truth will always defeat lies. Me man no see say Nyame share Bibia, me do Bibia say enche me the woman beba because my heated do. Me dia ground hand me dia tem krama. Wan ha tem me di no and the social media no bia betwefu asine. Everybody has right to talk. It's democracy. But oh kasa don't threat. Omo threatening nyina anya nkramofo. Tie dia meka no. Ana omo threatening nyina anya Christopher omo yankwasiafo bia mo no. Omo hu di omo nka. Amonya correct because Islamic any Christianity it taught us peace. Ghana Islamic Ghana Christianity it taught us how to be how to bring unity among people. And it is a question I say on TSS me say Ghana penny for Jimmy no munye kroni ya. Na say we say on TSS my dear tema on fa ni Jimmy nko obetimi asofo adimi nsomatem. That's it. That is your limit. Sama bu me ya India bragging. Muye sa na mugu Christosum na nimase. Muye sa na mugu Islamic na simas. Enti every neko obi obeba betre TV so maskadro. Oye malam oya ayibia oya azan oya kronfo on free kramoni bia fie. Obi a osi oye sofo omaloto numbers. Bra o maskadro oni omusun free nyamesum fie. Omu nyina yankwasiafo. I'm telling you they are criminals. And ti omunyi nyina free TV no so obi oso ya konfo beji loto number beji sikaduro yini munyini free TV so anya konfo papa wa Jimmy. I'm telling you that is the reality and the truth will always defeat lies. Nobody is bigger than the truth. No religion. Yeah, no religion is bigger than the truth. Ghana mpanimfo nko ye kuro ni ye tie America. That is all what we need to a platform not betting the organizing kofu amoma demonstrate against unianom ne o maame no ma o mo bre no e wo o mantamu no wodi adanse se adwuma kura bi ni ho enipa nam desert so kofa Libya for cry nkramofo nsu duru ate de o mesi abo no omo mfa ho se ukura buta omo mfa ho se wo ye kramoni omo mfa ho everyone minute bi abai sinam everyone anti kramoni bia ni ho abekọ ne kuro mo obeje otie de America no ukrom ne Ghana ho yes Christo ni bia ni ho abekọ ne kuro mo obeje ukrom ne Ghana ho. I'm telling you the reality. I'm telling you that is the only truth. You beginning to mean no kro wa Jimmy ya abi before nyina ya Jimmy and ye ntimi no kro and no kro no ne kan ya me before I even started this program I know the implication of a black man because many beginning na nyini ye abedru ba bia maduri many abi before na tia just recently na many broni better ti many say bibini krom no wa obeka no kro no ho ahi onim say ade we ye one pa na ya tro two nso no agbogi ade say two e na ma me kire wa wonim say ade we ye no kro na ubeji ntro adi no wo ye kwasia ti de me ka kire wonim say ade we ye one na because of a who any chibint any superstitious belief and to beka odi ehu beji adi se ade ani no kro osi ya ntro no wajimi che nipa bia just be truthful si ye nyina ka no kra e kire ye ho a anki ye hu aho kire da ya ma usika se hwe so usisika ne da banga bayira wanu akodi usi ayira wadi ya usimadi ti de America kire no. And you want to doubt, you know, politicians be you see as the only has a question anyway, number one. What betting Ghana for you sika you? And come for Kahon, I saw the call for Kahon, hey, tradition for Kahon, politicians near them Nana show Musa. Ombejano Aquachi Bulldog. Ombeja from phone wo Aquachi Bulldog. I don't know Simon Quachi from four. And this thing or him said I'm 1 year from 4. And so when Jimmy wa Jimmy to wajan ho kwachi innocent person. And on a church who said Nipan did not crane but believing lies. I'm telling you that is the reality. Ultimately, Obian Fanny said Mununko, I don't give a damn about what you think. Edia cry and Hotoni Chamber bini. Edia senior Samuel Quasia bini flower crown your busy with them. Now me catch us a glass in Kwan. I'll tap the kwami them who will be no first study. The system is working 24/7. Life is good in heaven on earth. Why won't you say be a for Jimmy Ko? Me do be as you be no bye bye. Now me catch us a Highlander now pedia Joe and a taxi war heavy no my in your man and phone. Now be chrome or a Highlander V8 I taxi. Now chrome Tico Crown, Toyota Camry, Toyota Corolla Crown to home Petra. I was so to me who said Nipan Waya Bois Petronus, yes, I told you chrome. Ye 2 oil Dubai omo yankram fo ko hwe mu kro mu fe na ko Nima omo yankram fo na majority wo na ko Alaba omo yankram fo na majority wo na ko wahu ne ameche no sanso na wo ba America eye yankram aya Christopher anso he kro no na wo he glass nko a o ko London aya Christopher ye kro no wasia Christo ni ono no ko fa Bible ba ni krom ne ma de omo ye nie omo ye adwuma forever and ever o siesie ni krom na to say me kokwa ma ya chebron sama wo ya aboa bi aboa mu aboa eti ya jimi dodo ye nsesa ya ye nye ye da ono the Bible na to siesie ni kro samre hwa na chebron sam ko Ghana ko hwe BFM station carry baba ye baba ye ti abron samso oni adofo ade ko abema katu na bachi kutu obetimi akoye adwuma som ne man no tem carry baba oyo baba ye baba ye ti abron samso ye chebron samabuno na me sha obi bia so tie no kre. The system is working 24/7 glass in one. Oti atakwami dem wa fu man of study. Na me catch yourself kwami ya wa bia wa we. Na me catch yourself every 1 minute in the aba invasi. O ma buy kra na buku afu ma hiti dodo. Bye.